Hi there, I'm Anatan. As your new head boy, it is my responsibility to make sure that our school environment remains a safe, welcoming, and inclusive one. If you should arrive at any obstacle at which you feel you alone cannot surmount, do not be afraid to approach me, any of our prefects, or our teachers. Though this pandemic has left us little time to do much of anything this term, I believe we can still make the best of our time together. I hope to see you all back in school in term 3, and until then, stay safe. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Alicia and I'm your head girl for this academic year of 2020 to 2021. It is my responsibility to represent the student body and address your concerns to the best of my abilities. As head girl, it is my priority to encourage unity and cohesion within our school community, to nurture perseverance, resilience, and self-mindedness in the wake of these unprecedented times and facing these unexpected trials and tribulations. I hope our student body stands shoulder to shoulder and aids one another in times of need. Hence, we must use the essence of our school spirit as a reminder that these difficulties are surmountable. With that being said, I'd like to thank the teachers for their valiant determination in maintaining a comforting, reassuring, and sturdy support system during virtual and physical learning. As a Greek fabulist once said, in unity, we have strength. Thank you.
My name is Marcus Escanda from Class 11E, and I'm appointed as the Deputy Head Boy of Class 2021. Though the year is cut short by the pandemic, I still believe that our prefect body can conduct new, amazing events for the past few months. As in my job, I will try my hardest to assist all of you guys and assist the head boy, Daniel Time, and I'm sure it will be a great year. Thank you.
Hi, I am Zane from Class 11E and I'm your newly appointed Deputy Head Girl. I would like to wish the people beyond the screen a wonderful day and a great morning. There's a famous saying that a picture speaks 1,000 words. So shall I just, stand here for a minute and pose? I'm kidding. However, let this act as a reminder about the true purpose of our prefect body. While rules are made to create order, it is also our mission to create a positive, effective, and enjoyable learning environment for fellow students. One where religion and race does not trigger discrimination, but instead stimulates mutual respect. A haven for the curious and a safe sanctuary for those to pursue their dreams. From arts to sciences, a bad grade does not instigate failure forever, but moreover, it is an indication that you have room for growth. I am ever more grateful to the decision makers that bestow their faith and belief upon our shoulders, and I believe we shall not disappoint. Stay safe and have a great day. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jinming from Year 11T. My role is the Boys Sports Captain for Mutiara International Grammar School. I am pleased to be given the opportunity to be at the forefront of school sports activities. It's my job as a sports captain to encourage sportsmanship and to lead our students to do better in sports. However, due to the current pandemic, sports have been deemed unsafe to participate in. It is truly unfortunate, but I'll try my best with the help of teachers and my prefect to find other forms of exercise that students can do at home. Once again, I am grateful to my teachers to to partake in this role and to lead our sports team to greatness in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Namfang and I'm your new sports captain girl. With this role, I hope to motivate your enthusiasm in sports and your willingness to participate in them. Furthermore, I wish to maintain the pride in each house whilst maintaining a composed nature between them. Sports is a medium in which we can improve ourselves. To play a role in them would ensure several benefits such as improved health, teamwork, and communication. Thank you to the teachers for entrusting me with this position and to the students for giving me a chance. Let's see where the future takes us, but in the meantime, it is vital for you to stay active during the lockdown. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Hi, my name is Ali from Year 11E and I'm your new male debating captain. As a debate captain, it is my responsibility to uphold a fair and unbiased environment for our annual debate competition. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we were unable to have a physical debate last year in November. But Shreen and I will do our best to try and organize a debate with Datin Christie this year for you guys. And we hope you're excited for it. Thank you.
My name is Shreen Patricia. For this academic year, I have been given the opportunity to be the debate captain for senior school. I hope to encourage more students to participate in public speaking. In debate, it is important that we respect each other, work together, do research on the debate topic, and prepare our scripts. Besides, we must not read from the prepared text, but speak and argue. Most importantly, all team members must meet up and discuss. Any students in senior school have any questions about debate, feel free to approach me. Stay safe. Thank you.